And today is January the 27th, and we've had a sudden blizzard. It wasn't in the news forecast. In fact, it was supposed to be sunny today. Check it out. This just kind of happened out of nowhere. We weren't expecting it at all. It's so bad that I'm walking. Usually I get a ride to the station and then I walk from there to work, but it's so bad that I'm walking from my house to the station, and it's just wow. Pretty though. Alright, I'm going to try to put on my glove while I'm talking to y'all. I need to buy some proper snow boots, obviously. It usually doesn't snow very often, you know, here, because we're at the same latitude, I think, as San Francisco, so I mean, it doesn't snow very often. And when it does, it usually only gets like maybe 2-3 inches, and then it goes away within the day. But, you know, as you can see, it's just like, you know, really piling up. Oh, my camera's getting fuzzy. That's a snowflake in the lens there. Oh, there's the city hall. That's the city hall. I'm going to try to cross over now. I better run. Yeah, it's a good thing I'm from Washington and I know how to walk on